all, today I'm here with another recipe, leftover rice pizza. So let's quickly see the ingredients. Leftover rice, basin, salt as per your taste, wheat flour, and curd. So mix all the ingredients well. So if you require some water, you can add some water also. So the dough should be in a thick dosa batter consistency. So mix it all well and rest it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. So now let's see the ingredients. It's pizza sauce, paneer, capsicum, onions and cheddar cheese. So grease your pan with half a teaspoon of olive oil, or you can use any oil that you have that you like. And now, so once your dough is well marinated, just apply put the dough on the pan and spread evenly, so in whatever shape you like. So I spreaded it in a round shape. Spread it nicely, evenly. So if you want, you can if you want to replace wheat flour, you can replace wheat flour with ragi flour or oats. So you can do that as well. So once it is evenly spread, allow it to cook for at least 3 to 4 minutes in a medium flame. And also, so while you're spreading the dough on the pan, just put the flame on a low and spread the dough. So once you're done with spreading the dough on the pan, just put it on a medium flame and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. If required, you can add a little bit of oil. I again used olive oil here, a quarter spoon of teaspoon of olive oil. So I flipped up the base. So and now poke the dough with fork. So just to so that it will helps to cook all the toppings well. So now spread the pizza sauce on the base. I'm not a pro in recording these videos and making these videos, so I'm doing this for the first time. So please ignore any kind of a disturbance or any crazy voices in between, or any kind of sounds or any kind of a disturbance. Please ignore. So I'll try to improve gradually. So I'm not a pro in this. I'm just a beginner here. So I require your suggestions and inputs to improve. So please try these recipes at home, and please do like, share and comment, and just eat healthy, stay fit. So my recipes will be of more easy cooking, because as I'm a working mother, most of you all know I'm a working mother. So I don't get much time to spend in the kitchen. So I like to make the recipes which are healthy, easy, and with not much process. So here I am topping the base with tomato sauce, which I made it at home, and with paneer, capsicum, onions, and red chili flakes, and oregano. So making a video and giving a voiceover is not a easy thing. So I think it's always easy to watch others and give a comment, but then when you do that, when you experience that, you will know the difficulties, what they have gone through, and all this. So it's not at all easy. So here, once you are done with the topping all your veggies, you can add any veggies. You can add veggies like sweet corn, bell peppers, or you can add pineapple, paneer, whatever. You can add non-veg also if you have chicken also. But if you're adding chicken, you need to sort it before before topping it on the base. So here I grated the cheddar cheese. Okay, so you can use any cheese you have. So once that is done, cover it with the lid and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. And so after 5 minutes, our leftover rice pizza is ready. So you can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So I think one medium or one regular pizza is good for one individual. So, and it's full. And here is my little reviewer. So